Hello, I am Rasa Rizgevičienė. I am head of Department of Economics. This department is responsible for study program Economics of Financial Institutions. If you are interested in finance, financial institutions and financial products, you are on the right way. Studying this program, you will get knowledge in banks, credit unions, insurance companies, leasing companies, pension funds and their performance. You will understand financial products and financial services. You will be perfect oriented in financial market and money market, making investment decisions. You will get the best higher college education of economics of financial institutions in Northern Lithuania College, because major part of our professors are professional specialists, many years working in the same field as their study subjects. Our professors are supported